Struggling to stick to a budget? You're not alone. In this video, we break down why most budgets fail, and the simple, practical steps you can take to finally make your money work for you. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Let's talk about the B word, budget. For many people, just hearing the word budget can make your stomach tighten. It's a word that's loaded with anxiety, pressure, and sometimes even guilt. But why is that? Why does something that's supposed to help us feel so overwhelming? For many, it's a source of stress and frustration. You sit down with your bills, maybe with your partner, and try to make sense of where all your money is going. It feels like a puzzle with missing pieces, and every month the picture changes. You've tried budgeting, spreadsheets, apps, telling every dollar where to go. You download the latest app, set up categories, and promise yourself this time will be different. You track every coffee, every grocery run, every little expense. For a week or two, you feel in control. There's a sense of accomplishment as you watch your spending align with your plan. Maybe you even start to feel hopeful, thinking, I finally got this figured out. Then, life happens. A forgotten birthday, a flat tire, or too many takeout meals. Maybe your kid needs new shoes, or you get invited to a last-minute event. Suddenly, your carefully crafted plan is thrown off by real life. Suddenly, your plan falls apart, and you feel like you failed. The numbers don't add up, and you wonder if you're just not cut out for this. It's easy to blame yourself and think you lack discipline or willpower. But it's not you. It's the budget model you're using. Most budgets are designed for a perfect world, not the messy, unpredictable reality we all live in. Most people create budgets that look good on paper but don't fit real life. They're too rigid, too optimistic, and don't leave room for the unexpected. It's like building a house with no doors or windows. Sure, it looks solid, but it's not livable. It's like using an outdated map for a city that's changed. The streets have moved, new buildings have popped up, and your directions no longer make sense. No wonder you feel lost. A budget isn't a magic fix. It's a tool. If it's built wrong, it won't work. Just like a broken wrench can't fix your car, a broken budget can't fix your finances. Saying I'm not a budget person is like saying you're not a gravity person. Budgets are just the laws of your money. Whether you like it or not, your money needs direction, or it will find its own way, usually out of your wallet. When your budget breaks, it's a sign your plan doesn't match reality, not a personal failure. It's a signal that your system needs to adapt, not that you need to give up. The good news? Data problems can be fixed. You can adjust, tweak, and rebuild your budget to fit your real life, not some fantasy version of it. We're here to change how you think about budgeting, ditch the old rules that set you up for disappointment. Let's throw out the idea that budgets are about restriction and punishment. Stop treating your budget like punishment. It's not a list of things you can't do, it's a plan for what you want to achieve. It's your chance to take control, not to feel controlled. It's your roadmap to your dreams, getting out of debt, saving for a house, or just sleeping better at night. A good budget gives you freedom, not fear. It helps you say yes to what matters most. Let's build a budget that works for you, not against you. One that bends when life throws you a curveball and helps you get back on track. Ready? Let's get started. Budgets often fail because of the perfect budget myth, the idea that you can create a flawless plan and stick to it without any hiccups. We're told that if we just try hard enough, we'll never make a mistake or go over our limits. But real life is messy, and expecting perfection sets us up for disappointment. You forget you're human, not a robot. Life throws curveballs. Kids suddenly need new shoes. Your dog might need an unexpected trip to the vet. And sometimes, after a long week, you just want to order pizza with friends. These aren't failures. They're part of living. Many people create fantasy budgets based on who they wish they were, not who they actually are. It's easy to imagine you'll cook every meal at home, or never buy coffee out, but reality rarely matches those dreams. If you always spend $800 on groceries, don't pretend you'll suddenly spend $200 just because it looks good on paper. Being honest about your habits is the first step to making a budget that actually works. When you overspend, you might feel like a failure, but the real problem was setting unrealistic numbers in the first place. It's not about lacking willpower, it's about making a plan that fits your real life. Another common mistake is the all-or-nothing mindset. If you mess up once, it's tempting to give up entirely, thinking you've ruined everything, but one bad day doesn't ruin your month. Budgets are meant to be flexible. If you overspend in one category, just adjust and keep going. Progress is better than perfection. And don't just guess your numbers or make rough estimates. Guesswork leads to surprises and stress. Instead, look at your last few months of actual spending. This isn't about judging yourself, it's about gathering information. Think of it as research for your future self. Real data builds real budgets. When you use your actual numbers, your plan becomes more accurate and much easier to stick to. That's how you break the cycle of budgeting failure, by being honest, flexible, and using real information. Remember, a good budget isn't perfect, it's practical and personal. Most budgets fail because they're too restrictive. People think budgeting means no fun, no coffee, no movies, no dinners out. That's a financial straitjacket, and it's human nature to rebel. A budget isn't punishment, it's a plan for your money and your goals. Even if you're paying off debt, you need small, fun money release valves. If you cut out all joy, you'll eventually snap and overspend. It's like a strict diet. If you ban cookies, you'll crave them more. Plan for fun. Add a small, fun category to your budget. The point is, freedom. Freedom from debt, worry, and wondering where your money went. If your budget feels like a prison, loosen it up. A good budget empowers you. Make it work for real life, and you'll stick with it. Another reason budgets fail? Forgetting that life is unpredictable. Things break, people get sick, and opportunities pop up. If your budget assumes every month is the same, it's doomed. Don't ignore non-monthly expenses, car repairs, Christmas, annual insurance. These aren't emergencies. They're predictable, irregular costs. Use sinking funds. Set aside a little each month for big, irregular expenses. That way, when December comes, you're ready for Christmas. True emergencies, job loss, medical bills, need an emergency fund. Sinking funds and emergency funds are different, but both are essential. Without them, surprises wreck your budget. Plan for the predictable and the unpredictable. That's how you turn budgeting stress into peace. Don't let surprises sink your plan. Budgets often fail because of silent killers, small, frequent expenses that add up. It's not the big bills, it's the daily coffee, lunches out, and tiny app purchases. $5 here, $15 there. It adds up to thousands a year. These little leaks are why you wonder where your money went. They're emotional, convenient, and easy to ignore. Tracking every dollar is non-negotiable. When you write down that coffee purchase, you face your choices. Do this for a month, you'll see the leaks. Plugging these small holes can free up hundreds or thousands in your budget. These habits are like termites in your financial house. Shine a light on them, and you'll regain control. Awareness is the first step to fixing your budget. Don't let the small stuff sink your ship. Now, let's build a budget that breathes, flexible, realistic, and human. Start with real numbers. Look at your last few months of spending. Use a zero-based budget. Every dollar has a job before the month begins. Assign money to bills, savings, debt, and spending. Add buffer categories like a miscellaneous fund for forgotten expenses. This isn't lazy, it's a safety net. Use sinking funds for big, irregular costs. Your budget isn't set and forget. Review it monthly. If you're married, have a budget meeting together. Life changes, so should your budget. Adjust before the month starts. A flexible budget adapts to your life. That's the secret to long-term success. Creating a budget is one thing, sticking to it is another. Build simple habits. Track your spending daily. 5 minutes a day keeps you connected. Try the cash envelope system for categories where you overspend. Groceries, restaurants, entertainment. When the cash is gone, you're done for the month. Give yourself grace. Mistakes happen. Learn and adjust. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Find an accountability partner, your spouse, a friend or family member. Share your goals and check in weekly. Knowing someone will ask about your progress is powerful motivation. You don't have to do this alone. Support makes the journey easier. Build these habits and budgeting becomes second nature. That's how you win with money. Sometimes, a few small tweaks make all the difference. Automate your savings and debt payments. Pay yourself first. Plan your meals for the week to avoid last-minute takeout and overspending. Use a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases over $50. Pause before you buy. This breaks the impulse cycle and saves you money. Most importantly, change your mindset. A budget isn't a list of no's, it's a plan for your dreams. Every dollar you budget is a step toward freedom and security. Make budgeting a positive, empowering choice. Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? You're not alone. Many of us have felt that sinking feeling when the bills pile up or when we're not sure where our money is going each month. That's completely normal. But here's the good news, you absolutely can take back control. It doesn't matter where you're starting from or how lost you might feel right now. Taking control of your money isn't about being a math genius or having a huge income or even knowing all the financial jargon. It's about making a decision right now that you're ready to be in charge of your financial life. It's about taking small, simple steps that add up over time. You don't need to overhaul everything overnight. Just start with one thing. Start small. Track today's spending. Write down every dollar you spend, no matter how minor it seems. This simple act builds awareness and is the first step toward change. Then do it again tomorrow. Consistency is key. Each day, you track. You're building a habit that will serve you for life. This weekend, challenge yourself to build your first budget. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it probably won't be, and that's okay. Remember, a bad plan is still better than no plan at all. You can always adjust and improve as you go. Each month, as you review and update your budget, you'll notice it gets a little easier. You'll start to see patterns, spot opportunities to save, and feel more confident in your decisions. A budget isn't about restriction, it's your permission to spend, guilt-free. It's a tool that lets you enjoy your money, knowing you're in control. True financial peace comes from having a plan, no matter your income or background. It's about knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. You are absolutely capable of changing your future. Every step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goals. It takes work, discipline, and sometimes a little sacrifice, but the rewards are worth it. You'll be amazed at how much progress you can make in just a few months. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Each milestone is proof that you're moving forward. The power to change your financial story is in your hands. Take a deep breath, pick up that pen, and start today. Tell your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. You've got this, and your future self will thank you.
The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only, and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.